What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a great day. When I first start off by thanking all you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're first time watching my videos, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button for me. Alright guys, today we got real simple videos for you today. I'm going to be replacing my instrument cluster bezel on my 95 Lightning. If you guys have been following the build, I've done a lot of stuff to this truck to get it to looking the way it's at right now. And I do recommend you guys going back and checking out the videos on from where I started with this truck. It has come a long ways in just a little bit over the year. In the last video, I actually was upgrading the internals on my supercharger, and I finally got my belt in, got it all set up. I'm actually getting measurements for a new custom pipe, intake pipe from the supercharger to the intake. I'm gonna get rid of these bands and all this clunkiness and just go with V-bands. It's gonna be really cool, really clean look. But yeah, today we are focusing on the instrument cluster bezel on my truck. It's old, it's over 20 years old, it's brittle, it's falling apart and just cracking all over the place. So it definitely needs to be replaced. And I'm gonna thank Max B Rods again for sending me a brand new instrument cluster bezel. Just got in the other day, brand new in the box. And if you guys have not checked out Max B Rods, I definitely recommend checking out their website. They have a variety of different parts for different makes and models. And if you guys do decide to purchase something from them, don't forget to enter TB Films in the coupon code and you'll get 15% off all your items in your cart. So you don't want to forget that. I mean, it's a big discount. All right, guys. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this bezel. It doesn't take very many tools. I need to get a little flathead screwdriver to pop these clips off. There's a couple screws behind here, a couple screws behind here, a couple screws behind that one. And we can just pop this off nice and carefully because we don't want to damage the harness behind the switches. We are going to have to transfer over the switches, the fuel, the fog light, and my HDMI cable to the new switch, the new panel. And we're going to have to remount this boost retard switch onto the new one. But really simple, nothing to it. Like I said, flathead screwdriver, 7mm, and this whole thing just comes off. So let's get right to it. All right, got my flathead screwdriver here, guys, and we're gonna come over here. And before I start, I'm actually gonna remove my steering wheel out of the way so we can go ahead and have some more room here, and I can show you guys what's going on. So let me go ahead and just set this down, and let me just remove the steering wheel real quick. This is a quick release steering wheel, really simple. If you have not watched my other video on how to install it on your truck, I definitely recommend it. Really simple, really cool. Definitely can protect your truck without getting stolen. But anyways, we're gonna get our flathead screwdriver here, and we're gonna come over here, and we need to pop these panels here and just get this. So on mine, I actually have Phillips screws here. They used to be 7mm, and I think I lost one, so I just went ahead and inserted Phillips screws instead. It's a little more convenient. Yeah, there's another Phillips screw there, but if yours is the original, it's going to be a 7mm. And on this headlight switch, this thing could be super tricky. You need to pull it out, and you need to have like a little pick, like a 90-degree pick. You need to raise a little metal thing here, but mine is already broken, so I don't know how to do that. But yeah, there's a little metal tab here, that little metal tab there on top. You kind of have to pick a little, get a little 90-degree pick and just raise it up to release it from the lever here. But mine, like I said, is broken, but it still works, so I like it because I can actually still turn the headlights on without actually, when I have to remove this, see, it still works. When I have to remove it, it's really simple. Nice, huh? Anyways, let's go ahead and get our Phillips screws. Remove one. Remove our second. Away. And like I said, if you guys are interested, I also did a double din radio on mine. Really cool, really nice. It uses Apple CarPlay. Really convenient to use the maps there when you're driving around. Or like if you get a text, I can text back on the radio. Really cool, really convenient, really high tech. All right, so now let's go ahead and take off our boost switch here. We're probably gonna have to put this in gear all the way down so we can pop this panel towards us. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in gear first. So key forward, all the way down, parking brake, and we just want to reach behind here and just pull towards us. Be careful not to damage your harness on your fuel switch and on your fog light switch here. Take this over to the bench and transfer over the switches and put it back on.
Quite a bit of history with this box.
Alright, everything's switched over. I'm gonna put the new one back on. And I wanna, don't forget to put their HDMI cable back in. Plug our fog lights back in. And I wanna not forget to hook up my mic here. I have a wireless mic. Don't wanna forget to hook this back up here for the Bluetooth. Go ahead and hook that up. Hook up my fog light switch. Hook up my fuel tank switch. And then go ahead and hook this back over the console. Clip it back in place. Grab our screws. Slowly tighten it down. Don't over torque it. Let me go ahead and put our panels back on. And just clip these back on. Nice and easy. Grab our boost switch and re-screw this back onto the dash. Gotta make sure I mount it level. Same with this one. Make sure it's level. Alright. And we can pull our emergency brake off. Put our steering wheel back on. Put our headlight switch back on. And we're good to go. Simple as that, guys. Nothing to it. Really simple, really easy. Now we got a brand new instrument console bezel. Thanks again, Max Speed Rods. So like I said, guys, if you guys want to check out Max Speed Rods, go check out their website. They have a lot of performance parts as well for different makes and models. Definitely recommend it. And like I said, guys, if you guys do decide to purchase something from Max Speed Rods, put in TB Films and you get 15% off on all your purchases. If you guys want to see more videos, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.